Hey there, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community of foodies and bakers. Today, I am super excited to share with you a game-changing kitchen tool that will revolutionize the way you bake and cook. Introducing the flour pastry brush. Can be disassembled: silicone cake brush, baking utensil brush, kitchen brush, silicone oil brush, barbecue brush. This versatile and innovative tool is a must-have for anyone who loves spending time in the kitchen. Whether you're a professional pastry chef or a home cook, this brush is designed to make your life easier and your food more delicious. So, what makes this brush so special? Well, let me tell you. First of all, it can be disassembled for easy cleaning, which is a game changer when it comes to kitchen brushes. No more struggling to get every nook and cranny clean. This brush comes apart effortlessly, making cleanup a breeze. Secondly, the silicone bristles are perfect for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're glazing a pastry, brushing oil on a grilling masterpiece, or applying sauce to your favorite dish, this brush can do it all. The silicone material is heat-resistant and food-safe, making it a versatile and durable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Plus, the ergonomic design and comfortable handle make this brush a pleasure to use. Say goodbye to hand cramps and awkward grip. This brush is designed with the user in mind, ensuring a comfortable and efficient experience every time you use it. I cannot recommend this brush enough, and I truly believe it will take your baking and cooking game to the next level. So don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the flour pastry brush. Can be disassembled: silicone cake brush, baking utensil brush, kitchen brush, silicone oil brush, barbecue brush today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.